আজি পিছৰ सबसे পোলা খবৰটি নেশ্যনেলিষ্ট ডেম'ক্ৰেটিক প্ৰগ্ৰেছিভ পাৰ্টি NDPP খান জনাই থাকে আছাপটি দিল্লী হাইকোৰ্ট খান ৰাটো পাৰ্টি ওপৰতে কেছ ফাইল আপ কৰি না থাকে ডিছমিছ কৰি দিবলৈ ডাঙৰ বিশ্বাস ৰাখে আছে কৰি না জনাই দিয়া আছে ৰিপৰ্ট পাই আছাপটি কমপ্লেইন এলিগেশ্যন টুলি মেম্বাৰ্ছ অফ Naga People Front NPF 27 members খান false affidavit under oath Serin Kugena Thakya Kuase Itukani report to Court of Justice Pushindra Kumar Bratu next hearing 11 of December fix Kugena Thakya Kuase Itukani allegation petitioners can file up Kugena Thakya to merit Nathakya NDPP Media and Communication Committee Jonayase Aro same petitioners can 2018 KP Election Commission of India ECI Khan ki complaint digena 2019 ti ECI Khan Bratu dismiss kridishe ko ase NDPP Khan laga release ti ECI Khan bra kanda kugina record number of seat chidilo apcheti itia issue of de-recognition or de-registration krubole na parbo koi dia ase aro party Khan point out kuri thaka tu itu hearing that rescheduled kuri thaka tu representative of petitioners Khan appear krubole fail hoi ja issue karni refix kuri ase aro itu pura janibo para tu case iku merit nai koi dia ase itu karni NDPP Khan tu honorable court Khan laga decision oporte respect kuri India judiciary trust kuri ase aro NDPP Khan tu strongly khara kurbo koi dia ase aro ami khan afsus khobor pai thake asapti Captain L Palang Khemnungan region of Yambemo Brigade Naga Army Sonyu Bosti Jakali 2:10 inikatamti Tungsang district headquarter polyclinic ra sas khotom kri loise koina afsus khobor pai loi ase ekta breaking khobor pai thake asapti AAP chief Arvin kun money laundering case karni jail digena belpa Jakali Sunday din party headquarter public addressing ti tai chief minister shipra 2 din macheti resign kurlobo koi dia ase aro tai agni parksha ridia ase koina jonai dia ase public addressing ti Arvind to Delhi Assembly pulra re-elect na kura takti chief ministership char nolobo koi dia ase aro tai onus ase koina public khanbra phabilehi re-elect kugina chief minister kurlobo koi dia ase BJP lead NDA government opor attack kuri chief minister Arvind P BJP government khanbra formula cholaigena misham shikhes file up kuri thakya koi dia ase kili BJP nachdigena thakya state of Karnataka chief minister Kerala chief minister West Bengal chief minister khan opor case file up kurigena choli thakya koi dia ase Arvind laga statement ti jail phitote bohigena government run kurbole tu sob manubra ikilogo ahigena kam kurabra parbo koi disha aro power naholipi chief minister position laga kotha nohigena important thakya tuili constitution country aro democracy preserve karni bishi important ekta ase koina Arvind kodisha aro chief minister succeed kurbo karni 5 jon laga nam logina jonai thakya khobor dia ase next khobor ti Modi government itubar power te ahi jaina 100 days achieve kurla opoti government khan tuili empowerment of other backward classes OBC Dalt minorities aro tribals communities khan ke focus kurgena ja thakya khobor dia ase section of society ti government khan PM Swaraj scheme ti loan services logina schedule caste OBC aro sanitation workers khan ki livelihood opportunity financial improvement aro self employment Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment khan bra di thakya jonai dia ase scheme under central government khan model residential school new school and smart classes WAQT bill 2024 aro financial support scheme and educational advancement legislative reform hesabti within 100 days of government development ani thakya koi dia ase ajikali duplicate saman bishi hoi jaina company laga brand logo copy kurgina banai thakya Bata Bazar police khan red operation kanda kurgina complaint par sab fake hair oil banai thakya Ganjam district di ja kalibra siskudi shekoina khobor dia ase police khan la report ti ja 4 moina bra Kolkata based Salimir coconut hair oil company original hair oil banai thakya copy kurgina complaint pa aha nishna company khan laga nam misuse kuri thaksha aro red opportunity duplicate saman banai thakya hater khan sob sisku disheko ase duplicate saman tu ki thakshe koile original company laga copy sob iki thakshe olipi original coconut natural process te banai thakya na hugina duplicate oil toili paraffin liquid pra banai thaksha aro saman sob sisku digina detail investigation choli thakya report pailoi ase